Hey there, welcome to FreeGo. Today we're here to answer the top 5 questions you might have about our Magnesium Spot Care Patch. So let's dive right in.
What is the magnesium patch and why magnesium?
Magnesium is not just a typical metal or mineral. It's an essential mineral for our body and a bioabsorbable metal that provides health benefits without any drawbacks, such as aiding in the treatment of fractures and bone concerns. In South Korea, a groundbreaking research team made history by introducing the world's first biocompatible magnesium implant, catching the attention of the BBC.
Clearly, really, at the very, very beginnings of this technology, which could be a really exciting breakthrough.
But guess what? We've taken it a step further. We've harnessed this innovative technology using magnesium to create a skincare solution. The result, the Magnesium Spot Care Patch.
How does magnesium patch work?
These are like tiny microneedles that target and defeat the acne germs. The finest magnesium needles penetrate into your skin, boost growth factors, and kickstart regeneration. As magnesium meets moisture, it generates hydrogen and ions, a recipe to banish acne bacteria. Magnesium needles make bumpy acne flat, reduce the redness, and kill acne bacteria. Finally, clear acne without leaving any scars. When they do their job effectively, you'll notice these needles undergo a transformation, turning deep black. That's the proof of them working diligently to banish acne bacteria. We're not just covering acne, we're wiping out the source. Also, this is a product recognized with a US patent.
So, what sets us apart from the rest of the patch products out there?
Well, the market is already flooded with so many patches, mostly hydrocolloid based. This is like a shield that keeps your skin safe and moist to help it heal. But what do we bring to the table? Combine magnesium needles with the hydrocolloid patches. This is the biggest game changer in the acne patch market. We deliver results much faster than other patch products. It starts working the moment it touches your skin, delivering results at a significantly faster pace.
Needles look sharp and painful. How deep do the needles go?
Fear not, our needles are very soft, flexible, and do not hurt. Human skin has several layers, and our product is designed to gently touch the surface layer. Our micromagnesium needles penetrate the skin to a depth of just 0.07 millimeters, so they are not meant to puncture the skin. Instead, they create very fine pathways on the surface of acne-affected skin, allowing us to deliver magnesium directly to the inflamed areas. So you can be worry-free with our magnesium needles.
My skin is on the sensitive side. Will it be okay? Could there be any allergic reactions?
Absolutely not. Magnesium is an essential mineral and it's hypoallergenic. You have nothing to worry about. Our product has been dermatologist tested and has completed clinical trials. Remember, always keep your skin clean and don't forget to use the FreeGo Magnesium Spot Care Patch when you need it.